This basic 16 GB thumb drive is your ultimate weapon to save a broken PC. Their computer completely crashed. You just want a new start for it. You don't have what to go to the repair shop. I am the Unscrewed Techie, and in today's video I'll teach you how to make a blank pen thumb drive to an official Windows 10 installer. Let's get unscrewed. So we are at our Windows 10 desktop right here. You should Google Chrome, our profile, and now this we should click the search bar. The search bar I think look like this if you don't know, just in case. Windows 10 ISO download we should type here, and the first thing that please click the Internet Archive website which shows as Windows 10 version 21H1. I'll also put a link on in the description right there. We should click here this ISO image download. It's about like 5.4 gigs. Now depending upon your internet speed, this will take around 1 to 2 hours to download, so you should gotta be patient about this download. Now while this is getting downloaded, I think I should open the new tab right here, type your Rufus website, and just click on the enter for Windows. Now I'll click on the Rufus website, scroll down a little bit, and check the 4.4.exe installer right here. Make sure it shows Windows x64 if you are running a 64-bit browser. Now this has completely downloaded as it's a small download, and the Windows 21H1 is a big one. I'll return after this stops down, after it completes downloading. Okay, so it says completed downloading. It took a really long time for this download. Now I think I'll open file browser right here. Just insert. Now I think I'll open the file browser right here from the open folder files. Now if this showing empty, that's a good sign, or you should back up all your data if you don't want to lose it. Oh, I think I've clicked the wrong one. For this to stop happen, now I should click on Rufus 4.14. It should show something like this. You should click on yes, and this will automatically detect our thumb drive. We should set in this distort yes ISO image. We should click here Windows download right here. It's downloaded already. We should start. Now I will try to put the saying the username we will put after the download. As we are always simple like that, we will put user right here. Click OK. Again click OK. Now this will take a little bit time depending on your internet speed. Just cancel this for right now, and this will take a little time depending on your internet speed. Okay, as you guys can see, it has already started downloading. Now I think I'm repeated the process again. Just cancel. Also click close. Now if you check our thumb drive, we inserted right back there. Now it is a completely download. So guys, I think that's it for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.